Hello, students. Sarah and I will be talking about where we want to travel in the future. And this will be a conversation about the future. Remember to click in the description to go to our website, and you can read the full transcript of this conversation and also get a free PDF worksheet. Hey, Sarah, how's it going?
Hey, Danny, I'm doing pretty well. How are you?
Good. I was thinking about our conversation that we had before about places that we've traveled to. And I thought, why don't I ask Sarah, what country does she want to go to? So, Sarah, what country do you want to go to in the future?
Great question. In the future, I would love to go to Italy.
Why do you want to go to Italy?
Italy has a lot of really interesting history. There is a lot of really great food, and I've heard it's a very beautiful country. So, for all these reasons, I really want to go to Italy in the future.
Oh, I've been to Italy myself.
Oh, you have? Where did you go in Italy?
Oh, I've been to several different cities. For example, I went to Rome and Naples and Venice.
Very cool. So, when I go in the future, where do you think I should go?
Uh, I would say you should start in Rome just because, it has a lot of history. There's a lot of very good restaurants that you can eat at in Rome.
Well, I love Italian food, so I think that's a great suggestion. How about you, Danny? Where would you like to travel in the future?
Oh, there's a lot of places, but I really want to go to Thailand.
Oh, great choice. I love Thailand. Where do you want to go in Thailand?
I heard that there's a lot of really good beaches there, and also the capital city of Bangkok can be pretty interesting.
I have actually been to Bangkok. It is a very cool city. So you want to go to Bangkok. What would you like to do when you go to this city?
I'd like to travel to some of the temples that I read about on the internet.
Yes, Bangkok is full of many interesting temples. Do you like Thai food as well, Danny?
I've had it a few times, but not in Thailand. So I'll be very interested to see what it's like in Thailand.
Yeah, food is usually better when you get it in the country that it's from, definitely. Are there any other places in Thailand you want to visit?
I heard that in the north of Thailand, there's a city called Chiang Mai, which has more natural scenery. So that would be interesting to see.
Definitely. Yeah, it's nice to visit a city, but it's great to go somewhere where it's a little quieter. I have heard that you can go to elephant refuges when you visit Chiang Mai. It sounds like Thailand is a really interesting place. I hope you have fun there when you go there in the future, Danny.
Well, and I hope that you have fun in Italy.
Thank you.
Make sure to go to our website where you can find the full transcript from this conversation, and you can also get a free worksheet. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.